Hello. So what we got today? Few days ago I just finished building this bike. It took about 3 months to receive the wheels from China. I don't know why it took so long, maybe because of COVID. And I put everything together. Runs good, a lot of power. But after like 5 mile riding, about 5 miles, I hear this grinding noise in the back. And something bites inside. So I think it's one of the magnets they attached or hall sensor. So I contact the supplier. They respond very quick. They asked me to send the videos. I did everything. I mean, they still in progress, so I don't want to wait for them. I'm sure they're not gonna do anything. So I'm gonna open either this side or this and see, maybe I can fix it. I'm sure it's nothing serious. Motor runs, no problem. But that grinding noise, it scares me. That's all. So let's see what we can do.